Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video about Dubai is a global city and one of the 7 Emirates that make up the United Arab Emirates, UAE. Known for its ultra-modern architecture, luxury shopping, and vibrant nightlife, Dubai has transformed from a modest fishing village into a bustling metropolis and a major business hub in the Middle East. Dubai is located on the southeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula, bordering the Persian Gulf. Climate: Dubai has a hot desert climate with long, scorching summers and short, mild winters. Temperatures often exceed 40 degrees Celsius (104 degrees Fahrenheit) during the summer. Dubai's economy: Dubai has shifted from an oil-reliant economy to one driven by trade, tourism, and services. Key sectors include tourism and hospitality. Home to iconic landmarks, Dubai attracts millions of tourists annually. Trade: Dubai is a hub for re-exports, thanks to its world-class ports like Jebel Ali. Real estate: known for ambitious projects like the Burj Khalifa, Expo City, and the World Islands. Technology: Dubai Internet City and Dubai Silicon Oasis foster innovation and startups. Finance: the Dubai International Financial Center, DIFC, is a leading global financial hub. Dubai's key attractions are Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, standing at 828 meters, 2,717 feet. Palm Jumeirah, an artificial island shaped like a palm tree, featuring luxury resorts and residences. Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping malls in the world, with over 1,200 stores, an aquarium, and an ice rink. Dubai Fountain, a spectacular water fountain show at the base of the Burj Khalifa. Desert Safari, an adventure experience in the Arabian desert, with dune bashing, camel rides, and traditional performances. Dubai's culture and lifestyle, heritage: while Dubai is a modern city, it retains its Emirati traditions. You can experience this in areas like Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood and traditional souks, markets. Art and festivals: Dubai hosts international art fairs, film festivals, and cultural exhibitions, such as Art Dubai and the Dubai International Film Festival. Religion: Islam is the predominant religion, but Dubai is tolerant of various faiths, reflecting its cosmopolitan population. Language: Arabic is the official language, but English is widely spoken. Dubai is home to over 200 nationalities, with expatriates making up a significant portion of the population. Traditions: while modern and cosmopolitan, Dubai maintains its Emirati heritage, evident in its museums, souks, traditional markets, and cultural festivals. Cuisine: a melting pot of flavors, Dubai offers a wide range of dining experiences, from local Emirati dishes to international fine dining. Dubai's infrastructure: the city boasts a world-class metro system, extensive road networks, and the Dubai International Airport, DXB, one of the busiest in the world. Sustainability: Dubai is investing heavily in renewable energy, smart city initiatives, and sustainable urban development. Dubai's events are Expo 2023, held from October to March. It showcased innovation and collaboration under the theme, Connecting Minds, Creating the Future. Dubai Shopping Festival, an annual event offering discounts, concerts, and entertainment. Dubai's fun facts are: the Burj Al Arab, shaped like a sail, is one of the most luxurious hotels in the world. Ski Dubai, inside the Mall of the Emirates, offers an indoor skiing experience in the desert. Dubai has no income tax, making it a popular destination for professionals. Dubai's history: early origins: Dubai began as a small fishing village in the early 18th century. It was known for its pearl diving and trade, leveraging its strategic location along the Persian Gulf. Modern growth: in 1966, oil was discovered in Dubai, marking the beginning of its rapid transformation. Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum, the then ruler of Dubai, used oil revenues to build infrastructure and diversify the economy. Dubai's union formation: in 1971, Dubai joined Abu Dhabi and 5 other emirates to form the United Arab Emirates, UAE. Dubai's future projects: Dubai is known for its ambitious vision. Notable upcoming projects include Dubai Urban Master Plan 2040 aims to make Dubai the best city for living by focusing on sustainability and green spaces. Museum of the Future, recently inaugurated, this futuristic museum explores cutting-edge innovations. Dubai Creek Harbor features the upcoming Dubai Creek Tower, expected to surpass the Burj Khalifa in height. Hyperloop Transportation, a high-speed transport system connecting Dubai to Abu Dhabi in under 15 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.